Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 100, that is same tree, and in this will be given the two roots of a binary trees P and Q. We have to write a function to check if they are same or not, and two binary trees are identical if they have the same if they are structurally identical and their nodes have the same value. For example, these two trees are same, but these two trees, even though they have the same value at the nodes, they are different because it's the node, then the left subtree and right subtree is null. But in the second tree, we are having one, and then its left child is null, but we are having the right child. Okay, so for this, what we have to check, we have to check that if those trees are equal or not. So what we'll do, if we'll be checking that if not p, or you can also check that p is equal to none or q is equal to none, and not p not q will also work, and not q, it means we are at the end of, for both the trees we have to return true in this case. But let's say if only one of them becomes null, if let's say not p or not q, in this case we have to return false because that means they are not structurally identical. Then we have to return if their value is same, that is p dot val should be equal to q dot val, and then we'll just call the recursive function, that is self. Let's that the function is same tree with p dot left and q dot left, and also with self dot is same tree p dot right and q dot right. Okay, now let's run it. uh, okay, oh yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. It's taking a bit long, I guess it's the Python code, that's why. Otherwise, it would have been Java or C++, it would have submitted by now. Okay, so yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this way, today, thank you for watching.